Hello, and welcome to Art Mama Moves, the 40th show, and it just happens to be Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and we're also just a few days into the new year, headed towards the inauguration. We don't know what's going to happen. All we know is that I'm ready for this reality show to end. But I digress. I'm so happy to introduce our new format and also to have such kick-ass artists to work with, and I hope you enjoy our show. I hope you enjoy the format and all of the other wonderful 100 ways that we are trying to fulfill your needs on Mondays.
It's time for another 100 Mondays.
Hi everybody, Sandy here. I'm from The Coven, a witch punk band of the future. I'm so excited to be introducing 100 Mondays, the weekly online show. Today we have a lot of great artists talking about their work. We have Gabe Paisley, we have Douglas Farron, Crystal Jadon, we have Frances Salberry, we have Obi Nidele, we have some music acts like the Cemetery Swingers, and of course, yours truly, The Coven. Be sure to go to artmamamoves.com and check out our extraordinary art gallery and all the Mondays you missed. These videos showcase artists, the work that they're selling, livening up the mood with some great music, great underground music of this age, of this time and place in history. Yeah, so without further ado, let's begin.